and I'm really glad that so many people have joined this webinar session. So, as is one of the crucial topics today that we're going to discuss, which I believe like everyone in this industry should be aware of. So I, as Saksham John, I am the customer success manager at Trackier. With me, I have Vaibhav, who is heading over the MENA region, has a diverse experience in tech industry. So coming to you, Vaibhav, can you please let us know what sort of topic we're going to discuss today and how it's going to be helpful for our people to go ahead and discuss about it.
So thanks, Saksham, for introducing me and as well as yourself into this session today. So today, here in this webinar session, we are going to discuss the e-commerce industries and the challenges faced by the brands who are promoting their products with the affiliates and the challenges of the affiliates who are working with the direct brands.
Okay.
So before moving forward to the today's webinar session, let me explain a bit about Trackier and its functionalities and by whom it is used for.
Sure.
So we at Trackier enable you to create, automate, measure, and optimize all your marketing campaigns, publishers, advertisers, creatives, and the conversions coming onto those campaigns from the affiliates at one place. We currently serving more than 700 loyal customers across 45 plus countries into the era.
Okay.
Now coming to the e-commerce side and following up the marketing trend these days, the e-commerce market has risen up to 50%. Users are preferring to go online rather than choose the offline options for the shoppings. So in this marketing trend, Trackier provides a workplace to the brands and the affiliates to communicate on a daily basis to track the daily orders, payouts, and the profit generated on the sale.
Oh, thanks for sharing this particular detail info about the Trackier and its benefits for the e-commerce side. So in this case, myself being as a CSM and have also worked with multiple, e-commerce kinds and the affiliates. There are some challenges faced by them in the marketplace. So let's say the brands who have their, e-commerce stores like Flipkart, WooCommerce, etc., and the affiliates who are directly working with the brands, driving the sales for them. So, coming over to the challenges part. So there are challenges faced by the brands and brands and affiliates. So if I talk about the challenges now for the brands part, so I have myself I experienced that the brands have come up to sharing that they have no access to the dashboard where they can see all your offers which they have created on a daily basis or on a monthly basis. So even though they do not have any dashboard where they can manage their affiliates, they must be working with multiple affiliates, I believe, and they have no access to the dashboard where they can manage all those. So I believe these are the challenges, and even the coupon management. Like it's again, a coupon is something I believe in the e-commerce area is something a major task to handle, and this plays a major role within the e-commerce. So again is something they are not able to manage those things, and the payouts on the basis of the coupon again is something they are not able to manage. So I believe you must be having something around this to come over to and help us know like if you have any process to overcome these challenges.
Yeah, so like as you have explained for the brands parts, so as also I have an experience in that industry, so brands is also work with the affiliates, right? So like I can imagine that there are some challenges for the affiliates as well in respect with the brands, so who are they are facing some challenges as well. So like if you do you have in mind, so you can let me know.
Yeah.
So
I do have my personal experience with the affiliates that they have come up saying that they are not able to, manage their order details, like how to manage what sort of orders they have published and how they can manage those in a single platform. So that is again something they are not able to, manage all those details in a single dashboard. Even the reporting section is something they always look for to have on their single dashboard. So I believe there could be some challenges which we should have a task to resolve them on Tracker platform. Even the payout validation is something I believe I've majorly experienced that they have always come up saying that they're not able to validate the payouts they have been given for. So I think there must be something like the solutions. And after considering all these flows, can you help us understand how we can overcome these challenges and with Tracker, and where Tracker fits within this particular challenges?
Yeah, sure, Saksham. Yeah, thanks to take me over for the rest of the part of this webinar session today. So coming into the Trackier, so we have, as you have explained, for the brands parts and the affiliates parts and their challenges which they have faced. So Trackier, in that place, we have a functionality where brands who have the direct access to all the campaigns, and they can add up their affiliates at right place.
Okay.
So we have a campaign management system and the publisher management system.
Okay.
Under the campaign and publisher management suite, Tracker has the functionality where they can come up and create the campaigns, add up their affiliates to whom they are work with, and can share the direct links to the affiliate to push the traffic on them.
Oh, so you mean to say that on a single page, they can manage all their campaigns and to whom the campaign has been assigned, or whether it's brand, whether it's publisher, right?
Yeah, right. So, like, let's say we can take an example of any e-commerce store or a e-commerce brand, let's say Flipkart or Myntra. So, like, they are also working with thousands of affiliates into the market space, right? So they can use the Tracker. They can upload all the product campaigns over here onto the Tracker dashboard, and they can add up their affiliates into the Tracker system, and they can give them the unique links to push down the traffic, push down their inventories onto the campaign level, and they can redirect their users to the right place, to the right website, onto the right landing page.
Oh, that's amazing. That's
Yeah.
amazing.
So, in respect with the campaign management system and the publisher management system, as you have explained, challenges faced by the brands for the
Mhm.
coupon codes as well, to
Yeah.
manage all the coupon codes associated with the publishers, right? So,
Yeah.
with
Yeah.
respect of the campaign management system, we have the option to add up the coupon codes where you can add your coupons according to the campaign and with the publishers who are promoting it. So
Oh.
directly with the coupon codes, we have a click-less tracking where there is no tracking link. The unique link of the affiliates is required. They can directly use the coupon codes and they can promote it on their inventories, blogs, and so on their traffic channels. So all the traffic, all the sale, which has been driven by the affiliates on the campaigns, with these coupon codes used, you
Mhm.
can track and check all the reports according to each and every campaign with coupons.
Oh, so you mean to say that on the basis of each and every coupon, we can take out the reports and export those on our systems, right?
Yes. So, like, let's say we can say that if there is a sale going on into the marketplace, so onto the e-commerce websites or somewhere. So basically, here you can brands can come up and they can add up their coupons over here according to the product categories. A coupon code can be exclusive, generic,
Mm-hmm.
and one time used coupon codes for the affiliates as well, and basically the duration of coupon codes as well you can set into the Tracker system.
Oh, makes sense.
Yeah. So, as comparing with these coupons codes and the campaign management system, I can think of reporting is also needed for the brands and affiliates. So, how many orders are there? How many sale is coming onto the campaign? So, we have a reporting part as well.
Mm-hmm.
With Tracker custom reports, it enables you to see the data of orders and the sale with multiple reporting KPI filters. You can measure your actionable insights instantly in the Tracker system. So we have campaigns report, which are running the product category of the campaign reports, publishers report, like we can say that affiliates report, who are driving the sale, who are driving the traffic on those products pages, and
Mm-hmm.
the coupon report as well. So basically, you can merge all these reports at one time. You can select the KPIs into the reports like campaigns, affiliates, coupons, their revenues, payouts, profits, and whatever the coupon codes used in it.
And
So
I
this
believe
kind of cumulative data you can see.
the filters we have mentioned over here, something like we are have more than enough filters to be used within the tracker dashboard on the basis of their requirements, right?
Yeah, exactly. All the reporting is customizable here into the Tracker system. So
Uh-huh.
as per the brand, we can customize the report for each and every e-commerce brand or the affiliates as well.
Oh, that's amazing. That's really
Yeah, yeah. And one of the challenges also coming into my mind, which you have mentioned before. So there is a deep linking of the product with the campaigns, right? So if I come to the optimization part of the Trackier, here the deep linking comes. Where Trackier, you can optimize the campaign and the traffic at one place. We have a functionality where you can deep link the product page with the campaign base URL with the publisher's link. With this useful feature, you can actually redirect the traffic directly to the product page rather than to redirect the user to the website landing page. So we will provide a functionality where, like, let's say, brand campaign is there, product category of the campaign is there. Okay, so with respect with the website URL, brands can come up, the publishers can come up into their system, and they can merge the product category of the landing pages with the base URL of the campaign. So this is how they can push the right category of the traffic onto the right category of the products.
If I understand, like you mean to say that if somebody wants to reroute their conversions to a specific page or application with the use of deep linking, they can do that, right?
That works into the mobile space and for the web space as well. So
Oh,
for the notification parts in your mobile phone, which you have get sometimes from the e-commerce stores like Flipkarts on the Myntra. So once you will click on that particular application, so it will redirect it to you to the that particular product categories. So this is called as deep linking. That deep linking you can manage into the tracker system with into the application space and to the web space as well.
that's amazing.
Yeah. So with the deep linking part, so now coming over to the Trackier's advanced payout management system, which we have to basically where you can manage all the payouts given to the publishers here at one place with the campaigns and the publishers. So we will, bifurcate these Trackier's payout management system into the two parts. So one is publisher specific payout on the
Mhm.
basis of the old and new customers base, and another is a coupon based payout on the basis of old customers or new customers. Again, it is based on the product values as well.
Okay.
So under the publisher specific payout, you can create a rule for the publishers on the purchase value of the products and give them the specified payout for the fixed level or on the percentage level as well. So
Oh,
let's say there are two values of products. Like there is two value of products. One is $100 of the product and a $150 of the product is there. So
oh.
let's say X affiliate drive you a sale of $100 or more. So
Mhm.
what will be the payout you are giving to them? That will be you know uh, 10% on 100 or more value of the products, but below than the $150 of the product values. So basically, on the product value level, you can give them the payout to the affiliates, either fixed payout, percentage payout, or both payout. You can give them.
Oh, both are even possible to do it,
Yeah,
right?
both are even possible, and you will get the proper reporting from the system as well. So now coming to the coupon based payout, which I have mentioned, you can select each and every coupon code and can give them the payout values and create a rule on the basis of the old customers and the new customers. So let's say there is a sale going on the cloth category of the products, and the coupon code is cloth 30, which is called as 30% discount on each and every sale of the cloth. So your X affiliate payout is 10% on all customers who are purchasing the products and who are purchasing the products, and 15% on the new customers who are purchasing the products and use that particular cloth 30 coupon code. So this is how basically you can create multiple rules into the coupon codes as well.
Oh, that's really impressive. That what you have shared over is something is really going to help the brands to segregate the data of a new and old sales and the affiliates payout, I believe. So moving ahead, something for the affiliate space as well. I believe you have something. So because of networks and the direct affiliates who are working with the brands, they also face challenges, to get the reports of their orders and the payments which they get from the brand. So do you have something around this?
Yeah, so for the affiliate space as well, so I have some, direct one-click integrations with the top e-commerce stores, where they can put up the API details for the brands and can put up the reports from the system. So whatever the order details are there, the user values, order IDs, and the sale amount of those products are derived by the publishers. So basically, a tracker can integrate with these e-commerce stores and can get the values of the orders here into the tracker system.
Oh,
Yeah.
so I believe like what sort of integrations we have in our Trackier is something customizable again. And in case if somebody comes up, to integrate their own platform with Tracker, so is it possible with Tracker?
Yeah, so in Trackier, we have a dedicated team for the integration part as well for the e-commerce side. So, like, if any of the integration with the e-commerce store is not listed there into the list of Trackier, so they can request us to create a custom e-commerce shopping integration. Then, accordingly, we will make that integration live for some of the affiliates. So they can directly, they don't need any pixel placement or JavaScript pixel to be placed. So they
Mm-hmm.
can directly with the API they can integrate with them and can get the order details from the brand side to track your side.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. Thanks, Vaibhav, for sharing all your informations in details and sharing all your experience which you had in your past with such diverse understanding. So folks, I'm going ahead with a short Q&A session, and feel free to ask your questions here.
Yeah, cool.
So, okay, so Vaibhav, I have a question raised by a client with us here. So, how is tracking helpful in integration with brands and publishers in terms of direct pixel placement in thank you page? Can you help us with this?
Yeah, sure. So, like as you have mentioned, the pixel placement on directly the websites, right?
Mhm.
So, as you all know that in these trends, the big brands in the market are not allowed to place the direct pixels into the thank you pages. So it can cause the page load time. It can crash the servers as well. Because like if a brand is working with thousands of affiliates in the market, so they can't put the pixels the thousands of pixel into the thank you page. So here the tracker comes up. Here, let's say if a brand is using the tracker system. So the tracker system, the tracker pixel is whitelisted with most of the brands in most of the top e-commerce brand in the market space. So our one pixel will be go into the thank you pages of the e-commerce website,
Mhm.
and the brand can come up and add up their thousands of affiliate here into the tracker system. So and tracker has the functionality to add the publisher pixels. So whenever any sale will be driven by the publishers onto that e-commerce website, so when the thank you page will appear, whatever the sale will be done by the publishers, we will get all the details like the order values, order amounts, and the driven by the sale of the publishers. We will track all these sale into the tracker system, and from the tracker we will fire the publishers pixel, and they will track all these things in their tracking system, affiliate tracking systems as well.
You mean to say that this all particular thing can be done from a single platform, right?
Yeah, all the things can be done from a single platform, the campaigns, the publishers, the pixel part as well. So we are the one who will gonna fire all these things from our side to the affiliates as well. And we are here to manage the details and the day-to-day business of the brands at one place.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go for the another question. Okay. Uh, let's let me take out the question. Oh, I got the one question for you, Vaibhav, regarding the coupon code. So, is there any option where affiliates can add their coupon codes?
Yeah, so as per the brands, I have explained you the part of coupon code. So we have a functionality for direct affiliates as well. So like the affiliates who are using the tracking system, so they can upload their coupon codes into the campaigns as well. So let's say there is an sale going on the e-commerce website, and that is a shoe 10% discount on a shoe level. So they can by their choices they can add up the coupons code like let's say shoe 10, that will be a 10% discount on the shoes. So they can add up their coupon codes into the system and they can get that approval directly from the brands. So we provide these kind of functionalities. Once brand will approve that particular coupon for the publishers, so they can start promoting that particular coupon code into their inventories and so on their channels.
So, I believe like the coupon code management system with Tracker is amazing, and I think
Yeah,
everyone
that is
experience.
amazing for the affiliate part and for the brands part as well.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So one last question, which I gonna take up from the Q&A, which is raised by one of our people. So can you know us like which top e-commerce brands worldwide who are managing their businesses with Tracker? Can you let us know?
Oh, that's a great question, which we have got. So like if I'll come to the Trackier into the e-commerce space, so there are big brands in the market who are using the Tracker system. So
Mm-hmm.
like if I name them, let me remind some of the brands like Namshi, GoNoise, and Wakefit, Grabon. These are the clients who are using their day-to-day businesses with us at Trackier, and they are managing the affiliate parts with the Tracker system as well.
And I
And
believe
there are multiple brands basically are
Mhm.
using the Tracker system for their businesses.
And I believe like they are much satisfied with the service which is being
Yeah,
provided.
most of the brands are now, yeah. So like whatever the requirement they have, we will listen to those requirements and accordingly made that on the basis of their businesses if they suits for whatever they suits for.
Okay. So
Yeah.
thank you so much, Vaibhav, for sharing all your experience with us and let our people know that what and how Tracker can be a best fit for e-commerce to be handled by the Tracker level. So going ahead and wrapping up this webinar session. So people, if you have any questions around further this webinar, you can just shoot us a mail with your questions at support at the rate tracker.com. We as our team are always been enthusiastic about replying your questions. So thank you so much for joining us today, and I hope going forward these knowledge and the details shared by Weber will gonna help you in soon. Okay, bye bye, Weber.
Yeah. Take care, bro. Bye.
Bye.